Today I am going to tell you how you can set up a hacking machine within 2 minutes. So hello guys, this is Hassan and I am an ethical hacker and cybersecurity researcher. So if you are a hacker, then you need to install a lot of the virtual hacking machines so that you can test it and refine your hacking skills. Today we are going to see how we can use Docker to set up a hacking machine. So I am on my Linux machine and here just open up the Firefox and search GitHub OneHub. Click on this first link and just clone this repository in your machine. I'm copying the link and open up the terminal. Type git clone space -- def space 1 space and paste the link. I already did that. Move into that directory OneHub. Hit enter, do ls. There are a lot of the vulnerable labs over here. So if I want to run any of the lab, I'll type cd and the directory path. I hit enter and you can see I'm in this lab, which is a Langflow model, and now I need to turn on the Docker. I type service space docker and then start. It will ask for the password and then it will start the Docker service. Now I will use sudo docker compose space up space -d. Need to hit enter and now the service must be open at my port number 7860. So I am typing my private IP, which is 192.168.1.61 and then colon 7860. If I hit enter, now you can see a vulnerable hacking lab has been deployed on my local machine. I can just use it. I can try pen testing on it, and if I want I can turn it off as well by using the command sudo docker compose space down space -d. It's that simple. Now I do not require a lot of the time to set up all of these things locally. I can just run it on Docker. And if you want a separate video on how to install Docker, then you can let me know in the comment box.